and Chaashni special Janmashtami Chaapan Bhog Thali. Making it difficult for me to choose, but I will.
Hi guys, welcome back to Times Foodie. So we are at Chaashni today, and this festive season they've taken indulgence to a whole new level with their Janmashtami special Chaapan Bhog Thali. For those of you who don't know, Chaapan Bhog is a lavish Sattvic platter comprising 56 signature dishes from various parts of the country that are considered dear to Lord Krishna. It is the highlight of Janmashtami celebrations across India. Why 56 dishes? It is believed that Lord Krishna used to eat 8 meals in a day. However, when he lifted Govardhan Parvat on his little finger to save his villagers from the wrath of Lord Indra, he didn't eat anything for 7 days. So on the 8th day, to express their gratitude, villagers offered him a meal comprising of 56 dishes. This is Chaashni special Janmashtami Chaapan Bhog Thali.
Yes.
I didn't know that इतने सारे हमारे इंडिया में इतने सारे मिठाइयाँ होते हैं. So
इससे भी ज़्यादा होते हैं.
आप बताइए, इसमें से I won't be able to eat all of them. So what should I try out of all of this?
If you will be able to eat all of them, you'll be setting a Guinness Book of World Records. But nevertheless, I would definitely want you to try the rose laddu first.
Okay.
It has kaju balls inside, and then it is covered with rose petals.
Wow.
And you'll find this really, really very delicious.
Looks very pretty also. Oh, it has a very pretty pink hue inside
Yes.
also.
You'll get bites of chunks of dry fruits also inside a little.
Rose ka flavor. It's not that sweet also.
Yes, yes, it is. A lot of, in fact,
balanced.
people who are health conscious grab our kaju rose laddu. Next up, I will definitely want you to try the Mawa Petha roll. This one.
Okay.
And this is very delicious. You know, Agra is famous for petha, and we have
Right.
tried to, bring in that flavor here. It has meva inside, and then, it is covered with that sheet of petha. So you'll get a kind of a bite also, and
It's
it will
very
be soft.
crunchy.
It's very crunchy, and
Crunchy
then
outside and then soft
inside. Next one, you're making it difficult for me to choose, but I know sweet can become overwhelming, so I'll make you try only 2 more items. One is the classic Ras Malai we have. Ras Malai needs no explanation in India. It's a dish that everybody knows about. But this Ras Malai will dissolve into your mouth.
Oh, is it?
It is that soft, and you will love it. Again, the sweet quotient is very balanced.
You're right. It just melts inside.
Yes.
Shall we move on to the last
The
item?
last one I know.
Yeah.
So, in India, we try to finish off things with Paan.
Yes.
Yes.
You're right.
And we have a lovely Paan short bite.
Oh,
Which
Paan
has
short bite.
Yes, so it's a bite, but it has been infused with real Paan leaves, and the flavor of Paan is there inside intact. You will feel as if you're having a real Paan for yourself. So a must try again.
So it's made with Paan and
So it's made with Paan, and then there are some kaju and other dry fruit items which is mixed into it.
okay. So these are the leaves that
These
you
are
were
the
talking
green ones are the Paan leaves, and you can already smell the Paan.
about. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, it's like I'm having some meetha Paan.
Yes. I hope you love this, and
I won't be able to finish everything.
that's fine. And basically, all of this you will get, and more, you will get at Chaashni.
And more. So you have more items.
Yes,
than...
more item of sweets. This is just for this
Really?
thali. Yes.
For what?
So you'll get these sweets, plus you can also create a Chaapan Bhog of sweets plus namkeens.
Oh,
You
so we can
also-
customize.
You can customize this thal, and you can create one that fits into what you want to offer to
So
the
you can
god.
put savory items.
You can put savory items as well here.
You know where to go on Janmashtami, right?
Yes, it's Chaashni, Sector 102, Gurgaon, near Imperial Heritage School and Dhankot Chowk.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Happy Happy Janmashtami.
Happy Janmashtami.